So we're going to take two of these metal ref, one small and one large, and we're going to attach them together like that. Then I'm going to take this pads. It's like from the mop. They also have it in Dollar Tree. You're just going to go ahead and attach it all the way around it with hot glue like that. Once you're done with that, just go ahead and use this sign, welcome sign, and place it in the middle. Grab your light, place it around it. You could add some flowers and some decorative stuff, whatever you would like. And this is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out. Super cute and super easy that you guys can do at home. So here you guys decide which one you like better. You could do it with the light like this one, or you could do it without it like this one. Each way that you guys decide to do, I think it will look great on it. So now for the next idea, we grab one of this splatter screen from Dollar Tree. I'm gonna screw it and then take it apart like that. And then I'm gonna take a table mat and I'm gonna place it like that and then trace it down just to make a circle. And then I'm going to cut it out. Then you're gonna grab your hot glue, put some hot glue in the ring, and then attach it into place like that. Then take a bow and place it in the middle. And then I took a few trees and put it on each side. You could put flower if you would like. Then I cut out a joy sign and I'm place it in the middle. And this is how cute, you guys, it turns out. Now for the next DIY, I grabbed one of these clear plates, small one, and I took this shower curtain ring and I'm gonna place it in the plate like that. I'm gonna go all the way around it. You're gonna put some hot glue in the middle and at the bottom part. So you're gonna continue doing that until you do the whole thing. And then once you get to the top, just put two ring like that and just place them together. Then go ahead and spray paint it in gold and then put your balls in here. Now, if you're gonna make big hole, make sure to make a big hole in the back and then you close it down. And this is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out. Super easy and simple for you guys to do. Now for the next idea, we're gonna take two of this Christmas tree from Dollar Tree, the small one, and we're gonna take it apart like that. Then after we put the bottom part, we're gonna put them right there together. Just flip it and switch it in there together, and then it should attach perfectly fine. Then go ahead and grab your Christmas tree and open it up like that. Just open the whole thing up like that. After that, just go ahead and put some snow white, spray paint it all over, and then I'm gonna take this reindeer and place it right in there. So I'm just going to take this string and attach it with hot glue just to attach it into place like that, just to hold it down. Then after you hold it down like that all the way in the back, just go ahead and take this Christmas decorative stuff I'm going to put on the side, like little beads, light, put different stuff just to make it super cute, and this crystal garland as well. And this is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out. So simple, so easy that you guys can do for your mirrors. You can also do this for a door, or you can also do this for any decorations, like window decorations, if you would like to place it in there. And the good thing about this one, that it's so simple that you guys can make at home, and it's so inexpensive as well. Please let me know, comment down below, let me know which one is your favorite out of all the DIY that I have done on this video. Please mention and comment, tell me which one is the one that you like the most, so I can know which one you guys like. So now let's just move on to the next ideas for the DIYs. So now for the next idea, we're going to take one of this little cup they have in Dollar Tree, a candle holder. We're going to spray paint the candle holder in gold and the other one in white, and then attach them together. Then take one of these Christmas ball and attach it to like flowers, little stick, and then just place it inside, put some branches. Go ahead and take this reindeer, place it at the bottom, and this is how cute, you guys, it turns out. So simple and easy that you guys can do. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly. Let's not forget to comment, like, and share, and letting me know what you guys think of this DIY. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly. Hope you guys like this DIY video.